In this video, I'm featuring this LinenSpa 8-inch memory foam mattress and this queen size metal bed frame. For transparency, I purchased both of these with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. So I needed a bed for my second bedroom, and I wanted something that was going to be, kind of lightweight, easy to assemble, but also comfortable to sleep on. And I find that this setup here works perfectly for that purpose. So the bed frame itself was super easy to put together. It's got 14 inches of clearance down there. You see I've got some boxes underneath there. So it's got some room for storage underneath. It doesn't squeak, it doesn't bend, and it's, again, fairly lightweight. The mattress itself is 8 inches thick. It's got this memory foam pad on the top of it there. It does have springs in it. It comes in a box. So, it's easy to maneuver. It's comfortable to sleep on. They call this here medium firm. So the springs in there are very comfortable. It fits on the bed perfectly. The queen size bed is 80 by 60, and that mattress fits on top of it perfectly. So you can see how that looks there all the way around. So guys, if you're looking for something for either your main bedroom, a second bedroom, or a dorm room, I highly recommend the setup here. Hope this helps.